Mitochondria, that tiny cellular component we studied in school, are directly involved in converting fat into energy and can thus be an important factor in weight loss. In this text, you'll discover how this process works and what we can do and take to stimulate mitochondrial function. What are mitochondria? Mitochondria are tiny structures, organelles, located inside almost every cell in the body. Their individual size doesn't exceed 0.08 of a pinhead, with the number of mitochondria per cell varying based on the energy needs of each organ. They have two membranes, one outer, smooth membrane, and one inner, wavy membrane. It's within this inner membrane that the organelles' chemical reactions take place. What are their functions in the body? Mitochondria are responsible for several essential activities that keep cells functioning. However, their most well-known function is converting energy from food. This process, called cellular respiration, relies on carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins, which undergo chemical reactions inside the mitochondria, producing a highly energetic molecule, adenosine triphosphate, ATP. ATP serves as the energy source for all cellular actions. Mitochondria also help protect against reactive oxygen species, ROS, byproducts of the ATP production process, and contribute to the cleaning of cells, preventing imbalances and chronic diseases. Effects of mitochondrial dysfunction. When mitochondria stop functioning properly, it creates an imbalance in the body's processes. Reduced ATP synthesis, impaired free radical defense, and poor cellular cleaning are linked to aging, fatigue, and essentially chronic diseases. This condition can be exacerbated by factors such as natural aging, environmental toxins, poor or unhealthy diet, smoking, stress, chronic diseases, viral or bacterial infections. The link between mitochondria and weight loss. Because mitochondria can convert lipids into ATP, their function is stimulated by those looking to burn body fat. Many people aim to increase mitochondrial biogenesis, the process of producing new mitochondria within cells. The more healthy mitochondria there are, the more likely the body is to turn fat into energy. To stimulate this production, intense aerobic exercise, calorie restriction, cold exposure, certain nutrient supplementation, and adopting a ketogenic diet are some strategies that have been studied. Let's take a closer look. What is a mitochondrial diet? The mitochondrial diet is a protocol that involves a set of actions aimed at stimulating the multiplication and function of mitochondria. It was created by Dr. Terry Wahls, a physician who lives with the neurodegenerative disease multiple sclerosis. The mitochondrial diet includes following a ketogenic diet, which is high in healthy fats, moderate in proteins, and low in carbohydrates. It's based on the idea that when carbohydrate intake is low or absent, the body can convert fat into ketones. Ketones are energy molecules produced in the body from fat breakdown, making fat oxidation a viable alternative energy source for cells. In addition to the ketogenic diet, Dr. Wahls' protocol includes stretching exercises, physical activity, electrical stimulation of muscles, meditation, and self-massage. It also involves consuming specific foods that boost mitochondrial activity. Good mitochondrial function is tied to minerals like iron, copper, magnesium, sulfur, and calcium, as well as vitamins like niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, and biotin. These and other essential nutrients can be found in leafy greens such as spinach, lettuce, and arugula, vegetables like mushrooms, garlic, onions, cauliflower, red cabbage, and peppers, fruits such as oranges and strawberries, meats like beef, salmon, and tuna seaweed. Habits that increase mitochondrial activity. Aside from diet, good mitochondrial function is connected to simple daily habits that people can practice. Check them out. Physical exercise. Exercise raises body temperature, generating temporary oxidative stress, and in response increases mitochondrial function and content in cells, potentially slowing down the aging process. Cold exposure. Exposing the body to low temperatures forces it to produce more heat to survive. This physical action stimulates mitochondrial production, especially in adipose tissue, increasing brown fat production. A thermogenic tissue that generates heat when activated by cold exposure, i.e., Brown fat burns calories to create heat. Bioactive compounds that stimulate mitochondria. Another effective way to boost mitochondrial biogenesis and function is through pharmaceutical-grade compounds. Some of these include coenzyme Q10. CoQ10, also known as ubiquinone, is a crucial antioxidant found in mitochondria that plays a role in fat oxidation reactions and neutralizes free radicals. When balanced, the body produces enough CoQ10. However, aging and certain diseases can lead to CoQ10 deficiency, and its supplementation can have therapeutic benefits in boosting energy production in cells. Resveratrol, found in grapes, berries, peanuts, and wine. Resveratrol is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory molecule. Studies suggest that resveratrol increases antioxidant release, reduces free radical production, and promotes mitochondrial growth and number in cells, which leads to more energy production. B vitamins. These essential vitamins are crucial for ATP production. A deficiency can impair mitochondrial function and reduce energy production in cells. Taurine. Taurine is an amino acid primarily found in animal-based foods. It has an important antioxidant effect, protecting cells from free radical damage. This protection helps mitochondria function properly and convert energy from food into ATP. In addition to mitochondrial health, there are several other factors that medicinal compounds can stimulate for those seeking weight loss. These include appetite suppression, reduced fat and carbohydrate absorption, and combating high cholesterol levels and excess free radicals. Learn how these weight loss compounds work.